Okay, we're in the forest near Tangkuban Prahu, and we're walking back to the car. We're walking down. The driver went down, and we hope to find him at Parkir Domas. Yeah, let's walk.
Yes, and then
It's a beautiful scenery. I was just telling Lovelo that we are walking in a fairy tale environment, and there's nobody here. We're all alone, and it's only half an hour from Bandung City. Yeah, there we go. Amel is sleeping. I can show you. She likes it. She's at peace in the forest. She's sleeping and she's smiling in her sleep and making some little sounds. Yeah, you see? Okay.
Yes, okay.
Let's go. Let's continue.